Hi everyone, welcome back to the AllAITools Space channel. Today we're talking about Higgsfield, a massive AI video platform that is changing how creators make cinematic content. If you've seen those viral AI videos on TikTok or Instagram lately, there's a good chance they were made here. As always, this is a beginner-friendly, no-complication explanation to help you decide if this tool belongs in your creative toolkit. What Higgsfield actually is. What Higgsfield is an all-in-one AI video social studio. Think of it as a hub that connects all the best AI video models in the world, like Kling, Sora, and their own Nano Banana, into one place. Instead of just writing a prompt and hoping for the best, Higgsfield gives you a creative control room to build. Cinematic ads, product-focused. AI influencer content using Soul ID for consistency. UGC-style videos, user-generated content, 3D billboards. It's mainly used by social media marketers who make up 85% of their users. Freelancers and small business owners who want Hollywood-level visuals without a Hollywood budget. How it works. Here's how you actually use Higgsfield in 2026. Pick your module. Choose from Cinema Studio for movies or UGC Factory for social ads. Choose your model. This is the cool part. You can select Kling 2.6 for realism, Sora 2 for physics, or Nano Banana Pro for fast, cheap generations. Direct the scene. You don't just prompt, you control. You can upload an image, set a start and end frame, and even use camera controls to tell the AI to zoom, pan, or orbit. Refine and enhance. Once generated, you can use the Sora 2 enhancer to fix flickering or the Higgsfield upscale to turn it into 4K. Add audio. It has built-in text to audio, so your characters actually speak with natural lip syncing. It feels less like playing a slot machine and more like being a director. Use cases. In early 2026, people are using Higgsfield for viral social trends, using Sora 2 trends to see what's performing on TikTok and mimicking those styles instantly. Consistent characters, using Soul ID so the same person appears in every video, perfect for building an AI influencer. Product marketing, putting your product on a 3D billboard in Times Square or a cyberpunk city. Prototyping, filmmakers use it to storyboard entire movie scenes before they ever pick up a real camera. Why people like Higgsfield. People are moving to Higgsfield because centralized access. You get the world's best models, Kling, Veo, Sora, in one dashboard. Mobile first, you can create high-end videos on your phone via their app while you're on the go. No prompt engineering needed. They have a huge library of presets like Mugshot, Cyberpunk, or ASMR that do the hard work for you. Speed. You can go from an idea to a finished 2K cinematic clip in under 5 minutes. Pricing. As of January 2026, Higgsfield has a few tiers. Free plan, good for testing basic models with one job at a time. Pro, $17.40 per month. Most popular, unlocks all models and unlimited Nano Banana generations. Creator plan, usually around $49 per month, but they often have January drops with huge discounts for 2-year unlimited access. Pay as you go. You can also buy credit packs if you just have one big project. Check their site for the January promo specifically, as they are currently offering massive discounts. Who should use Higgsfield in 2026? Higgsfield is the best fit for social media managers who need to post daily content, e-commerce owners who need cinematic ads for their products, AI influencers who need character consistency, solo creators who want to compete with big agencies. I'm inside Higgsfield now. Everything happens directly in the browser, no software to install. Higgsfield gives access to multiple AI video models in one place. I'll start by selecting a model. Let's begin with Nano Banana Pro, which focuses on high-quality image generation. This model is known for clean visuals, sharp text, and strong character consistency. This is a fully AI-generated image, no editing yet. Now I'll turn this image into a video. I don't need animation software. The motion is generated automatically. You can already see cinematic movement and natural motion. Next, I'll switch to one 2.5 is more flexible and creative. It handles bold prompts really well. This is useful for social media, reels, or experimental videos. Next, I'll switch to Kling motion control. It's currently trending in social media. So I hope you understand how to use the Higgsfield AI now. Rewards section. Now, before we end the video, here's something helpful from our website. On AllAITools space, we have a reward section where users can sign up using email, OTP, and complete simple surveys through our trusted partners. For every survey you complete, you also get a mystery box as a bonus. It's an easy way to earn coins and redeem them for PayPal gift cards. This is perfect for those of you who want to try premium Higgsfield plans but don't want to spend money up front. Link is in the description.